Namaste, Hamisha Kushwa Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Minakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्टोमेटाइटिस। इससे पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था पार्ट 1 में डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्टोमेटाइटिस, द स्मॉल डिस्क्रिप्शन, टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोमेटाइटिस। इसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसी स्टोमेटाइटिस। अब इस वीडियो हम शेयर करेंगे द rest types of stomatitis and their management. So the topic is epithelial stomatitis, which are also called the canker sores, is the recurrent appearance of mouth ulcers in otherwise healthy individuals. The cause is not completely understood, but it is thought that the condition represents a T cell mediated immune response, which is triggered by a variety of factors. The individual ulcers epithelial recur periodically and heal completely, although in the more severe forms, new ulcers may appear in other parts of the mouth before the old ones have finished healing. Here is an image of the epithelial stomatitis. The next type of stomatitis is angular stomatitis. The inflammation of the corners or the angles of the lips is termed angular stomatitis or angular cheilitis. In children of frequent cause is repeated lip licking, and in adults it may be a sign of underlying iron deficiency, anemia, or vitamin B deficiencies. For example, B2 riboflavin, B9 folate, B12 cobalamin, which in turn may be evidence of poor diets or malnutrition such as celiac disease. Next type of stomatitis is denture related stomatitis. This is common condition present in denture wearers. It appears as reddened but painless mucosa beneath the denture. 90% of cases are associated with Candida species, and it is the most common form of oral candidiasis. Treatment is by fungal medication and improved dental hygiene, such as not wearing the denture during sleep. Next type of stomatitis is allergic contact stomatitis. Allergic contact stomatitis is also termed as the allergic gingivostomatitis or the allergic contact gingivostomatitis. It is a type 4 delayed hypersensitivity reaction that occurs in susceptible atopic individuals when allergens penetrate the skin or mucosa. Next type of stomatitis is migratory stomatitis. Migratory stomatitis or geographic stomatitis is an atypical presentation of a condition which normally presents on the tongue, term geographic tongue. Geographic tongue is so named because there are atrophic erythematous areas of deep population that migrate over time, giving a map-like appearance. The next type of stomatitis is herpetic gingivostomatitis. This is the inflammation of the mouth caused by the herpes simplex virus. Then the management of stomatitis. There is medical management or other management. In medical management, we can give bismuth, salicylate, sucralfate, antacids to the patients, water-soluble lubricants from mouth and lips, topical analgesics such as benzamine hydrochloride, topical anesthetics such as lidocaine viscous, oral or parenteral analgesics including opioids if needed for pain not controlled with the above medications. Other management of stomatitis are antiseptic mouthwash, which should be used frequently, avoid excessive brushing of teeth, and denture hygiene measures. Here is an image you can see the measures like pain control, dietary modifications, and oral care. For pain control, suck on ice chips or ice pops, use pain medications as advised by your doctor. And dietary modifications, eat moist or soft foods, avoid foods that require a lot of chewing, avoid acidic, spicy, salty and hot foods. Oral care means the rinse mouth 5 to 6 times each day, brush teeth with a soft toothbrush. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you so much.